hello from Palace of Perogi. Oh, what's been cooking here? Fried rice. Mysterious. I was away 5 minutes. How did this happen? Hey, bananical bread. And behind door number 2. Bing. Must be Mexican night and Italian. It's not problem, Boris. Have room in corner. Yes, welcome everybody. We are making a pierogi. Yes, Boris. Known in Poland as Pierogi Ruskie, which to Eastern Slav man is very confusing, because in Russian pierogi means spice, which these are not, trust me. And on top of that, the Ruskie part in Pierogi Ruskie refers to Ruthenia, not Russia. Ruthenia is a historical area of land, some of which is in modern-day Poland, and hence the name. If you have done potato dumplings from my recipe, then these are not far off. Besides, there is only so many versions of pelmeni from Eastern Europe before they start overlapping. But there are differences indeed. For example, this recipe is from Poland. Okay, and it uses hot water for making the dough. And it is mandatory to wear apron that says "Trochę pieprze przy obiedzie." Because if you're not wearing the apron, are you making pierogi at all? It will be your homework to find out what exactly that means. So 150 milliliters of water. I am under the water. And so this we heat up for some strange reason. So apparently it makes the dough softer. Or so they say. Let's test this theory. A quick battering knife for making the... Oh, what is this? I swear, office. It came out of nowhere. Okay, you're supposed to heat this up separately. Who has the time? We live life on the edge. And now, you see, we saved like 30 seconds of time. And now we take these 30 seconds and we invest. Because time is money. It is best to check the conversion chart beforehand. Because the last time I tried converting time into money, not only did I end up with less than I had, but also apparently it is illegal to sell counterfeit Turkish Rolex on the beach. And sauce. Okay, I might have slightly messed this up. I swear, brain function is low today. Moist. And just a bit of that from muscle memory. It's still warm, what a blend. Using single-use plastic like a millionaire. Okay, the easy part is done. Now the part I don't understand. Hey Poland, why is your dumpling filled with potato? Poland, what is the meat filling? Are you okay? I can send you some beef if you're going through a rough time. Okay, about 500 grams and a bit extra. Good, so it's going to need 500 grams. And it is going to need them peeled. As delicious as potato peels are, I would not suggest the sensation of potato skin touching the inside of your mouth when it is part of potato mash. It is comparable to finding cat hair in your drink after you have taken a sip. Just oil up your potato peels and cook them in oven. I leave recipe link in description. Блин, they should name me Potato Boss. I should make a video. Just peel potato for 10 minutes. See how many I can get. Potato speedrun. So, how you liking this video? Do let me know in the comments, please. It's always good to get that feedback, hear your thoughts, read some comments, and actually know what you're thinking. I am here speaking my mind, and I want you to have the opportunity as well. Okay, what we need? 500? Ooh, that is a bit much. There we go. No potatoes wasted in Boris' house. I just make potato salad later with the rest. And away we go. Not gonna lie, the Polish got it right with this one. Onion and potato go like glove and hand. No fancy seasonings, only salt and pepper. I say they should might as well make Polish beer part of recipe. Somebody been cutting rocks with no knives again. Nobody to blame but a man in the bathroom mirror. How does he get into my house every time? I am still not sure. The investigation is ongoing. You see, the onion is one ingredient that I'm not sad about cutting to shape in any form I see fit. The amount we sacrifice is equivalent to the extra flavor amount we receive. As long as you're smart about it, here is a good amount of onion to throw away. I don't want any semi-hard onion skins in my food, especially in restaurants. Ugh. This is some soup kitchen level quality control. And we need one large onion. I should have said that first probably, but I'm sure you will figure it out. There's only like 30,000 people watching. Oh yes, friends, we have come a long way. But I'm not bothered by these numbers. The only number I care about is being Slav number 1. When it comes to checking the readiness of the potato, it's basically prison rules. find the biggest one and do the same for second biggest one just for good measure. Why is this crook? Never mind. This is the time where you insert a special ingredient number 2. This is quark. If you have got this cheese, you have gone too far. If there is one thing I learned from experimenting with making chebureki with different kinds of fish filling, don't ask why, then the drier the filling is, the better it boils or cooks. Or deep fries, whatever your plans are for Friday night. And from that logic I can only deduce that this mix of quark and boiled potato, and from this angle looks dried in midday desert sand, should be perfect. Let's just hope there is enough flavor to go around. A bit of salt just in case. I swear there is a curse in this house. I swear I had not broken a plate in 10 years. And I moved here, boom, suddenly Shard City. Блин, I should get life insurance just based on the amount of broken glass flying around here. And welcome to specialty number 3 of the Pierogi Ruskie. Being as dry and non-meat filled as they are, the fillings can be pre-rolled by hand. Easily. Now this is the type of comfort I need in my life. Forget new chessboards like the new potato recipes. Smooth like butter. This should be in museum. And they will be, as long as that museum is my mouth. Now since pirog is the generic term for any filled dumpling, it is best to not get this mixed up and keep looking smart in new company, so it's good to learn other pierogi names as well. Or maybe your Polish grandmother wants you to make some and you simply not want to get smashed across the head with a rolling pin again. So, say after me, pierogi с капустой. Dumpling with cabbage, good. Or if you forget next time, just be ready to run. Now we roll out half of the dough. The only thickness to ever roll dough out to is so thin that you can almost feel the rolling pin touching the table. Anything lower than that, you're just massaging it. Remember, slightly expanded dough is not the same as rolled out dough. This ain't no game. Okay, punch out one of these rings. The tool for this completely optional to choose. Ой, блин. Glass, cup, barrel of potato cannon. Then you pinch one edge like that, and then pinch the rest. And once it is pinched, squeeze. Okay, this came out way too good. Now, the edge decoration is the prime example of sophisticated Polish high art. You can fold the edges on top of each other like that, or like the culinary speedrunner that you are. First pinch the edge, spread around the filling to fill the whole thing. And now, pay attention. What 10 years of clown college has taught me is to always bring your cookie cutter, not too left behind. If I ever move from this house, it will be 5 trucks, 4 more than I used to move in here. And at least 4.5 of those trucks are filled with cooking supplies. I sure hope the next place I move to, I not ever need to move from again, because of the manpower that it would require to move everything would collapse the world economy. So please, every cent helps. Send your super thanks below this video or join on Patreon. Okay, the ravioli cutter did the worst job. How is this even possible? I asked the babushkas in the shop, ¿Qué pasa? Jak tam? And they're all like, please get out of here. Sir, this is a hospital. Oh, we're not, we are just getting started. Bring out your Christmas gingerbread machines. I know you haven't baked me yet. What is still end of January? You probably still have your Christmas tree in your living room. Questionable at best, but the best is what I strive for. So questionable it will have to be. You should really invent a machine for this, come on. Okay, enough of this amateur level. We in the big business now. And there you go. No questions, only answers. Salt enough to kill any living organism and let the flavors begin. 4 or 5 minutes of boiling and is all we need. If you're expecting the next stage to be a hot pan with some oil on it, it is time to click away now. Because pierogi from Poland are cooked by boiling and that is all. Oh no, the one with the gingerbread cutter got exploded. I will never understand how the American touch got to be frying, deep frying and other methods of oil addition to any food to make it more Western. But then again, I cannot complain. Me, I add butter to everything I see, as if my life depended on it. Bit of black pepper on top, and oh, what is this butter raining from heavens? And that is how it is done. The real Polish pierogi goes well with sour cream or mayonnaise if your name is Boris. Freeze the rest of the unboiled ones to receive great praise from your Polish babushka the next time she comes to visit. Thank you for watching, recipe in description, and good luck. As your home reading assignment, I leave you with Compendium Ferculorum albo Zebranie Potraw. It's written in Polish, but it is no problem. And may the chicky-bricky always be by your side. See you again in the next video!